everyone, it's Michelle from A Noble Touch, and today we are going to do a Shamrock Center for a St. Patty's flower I want to do. So we're going to need a 6-inch Styrofoam half ball, black paint. You're going to paint it black. Once it dries, then I spray it with a Rustoleum Ultra Cover Semi-Gloss Clear. That's just for a protectant or sealer. And then I have these green Loamy Gems. Now these Loamy Gems I purchased from like Direct Floral and Wholesale Floral. And these are Diamante pins. And so they're a 2-inch pin, like a corsage pin with a gem head on them. So I like it. I love bling, so I of course love to do my centers with some pretty bling and sparkle. So we're going to go ahead and get started. This should be hopefully fairly simple. I'm not sure how many of these I'm going to need. These come in packs of 100, so there's 100 pins in each pack. So I have a few packs, and I will let you know by the end of the video how many I use. Speaking of bling, if you like the jewelry I'm wearing, this is paparazzi jewelry. I am a paparazzi consultant. Basically, I signed up because my girlfriend who sold it, I was buying way too much, so it just made more sense for me to sell it. But if you're interested in like any of the jewelry, I'll put my link under the description of this video, and you can go ahead. Everything's $5, and it's all nickel lead free. So if you want some pretty jewelry, this is really nice, and it's only $5. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. We're going to do a 4-leaf clover. So I'm thinking, I'm just kind of starting my start points to see how I want to do this clover. I'm going to bring it up here. Okay, now I've never made one with the shamrock, so bear with me. So right here, we have this so far. Now, this is more this way, so I think what I want to do, yeah, is to bring the tail, I don't know if I want to do there or there, the tail of the shamrock. Just bring it down. And once we have everything, then we're going to go ahead and I'm going to take the green gems and just fill in the center. So everything black will all be green gems. So we're going to go ahead and just start putting the gems in. And then we'll be back. Okay, so as we're filling in, I kind of went a little bit wider once I filled them in to make it more, I guess, shamrock looking. Now I'm on my 4th box of green loamy pins, so that should tell you it's probably about 350 pins right now. And what I like to do in here too is I kind of, when there's some spaces I don't like, I just put the loamy pin in between that and push. So I have like a 3D effect happening with my pins as well. It's just not one layer of pins. It is a few layers. So I'm just, so this would, I'm going to get my thing here. So this will be the end result when it's all said and done. And I will do a cute St. Patty's theme mesh around for my flower. And this would have, and then they'll have a, just trying to show you here, a shamrock center. So that's how we're going to do that one. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Make sure to please subscribe to this channel as more videos will be coming out. So thank you so much. Have a great day.